You know what you do when you're a big money team and you lose? Well, you go and sign the person who won. Beat your team, show that they're not as good, and that's what Star is supposedly doing. And this is coming from Steve Mathis, so PulpMX. Take this as the rumor mill that it is, whatever you want to call it. But supposedly that guy right there, Cole Davies, who was the Gas up and coming project, 16-year-old, is he New Zealand or Australia? New Zealand. He was from New Zealand. The import kid who's just super fast, beating everybody. And well, with Gavin Towers now leaving from Star Racing to go race in, is it EMX 250? EMX? Yeah, that's right. And so that leaves a spot for the amateur to kind of pro level. And at 16-year-old, there it is. Supposedly getting a couple year deal. This is good, big news, I guess you want to call it, because that's one person leave from the Orange Brigade. Technically, obviously Gas falls under the KTM umbrella of bikes and everything. And if you're Star, you're just collecting talent. You just collect everybody you possibly can. Doesn't even matter if they're injured or not. When you look at, what do they have? Robertson, Moseman, Thrasher. How many people are out for them right now? But this looks like the future. This is the next 250 kid that's going to be after Deegan. Here's your next, I don't even want to call it your next up and coming PR person right there. And it is, if he's already won 250, or the futures into 2024. So he's proven that he's fast. And if you're going to be on a team, probably in the 250s, let's be honest, Star Racing is probably the team you want to be on. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Do you think this is a good move for him? Good move from the team? Do you think he should have stayed with Gas or KTM or whatever it is? Whatever you want to say, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.